Close your eyes. It's May 2025. You're winding along the Amalfi Coast serpentine roads in a vintage Fiat 500, coastal breeze tousling your hair. A week exploring pastel-colored villages, boating to Capri's Blue Grotto, and dining on fresh seafood in Ravello's piazzas. This isn't just a vacation, it's the European escape you've saved Instagram posts about for years. At Find That Finance, we make these dreams tangible with travel loans designed for Australians craving authentic experiences. Whether it's $5,000 for a 10-day highlights tour or $15,000 for a month-long immersion, our process is as smooth as a Negroni. Free pre-approvals let you confidently book those bucket list cooking classes and boutique hotels. No complex paperwork, just straightforward terms from lenders who value cultural adventures. Your Amalfi Odyssey starts here. Findthatfinance.com.au. La Bella Vita awaits.